Okay, I'm going to show you all the plugins, all the themes you will need to create a shopping website. Now we are going to create a single shopping website, a kind of website whereby people can go there, buy something, pay with, like, they can use their card and all of that. So first of all, I'm going to use eStore theme. I'm just going to install the theme. So I'm going to click on add. I'll come here, I type eStore, which is electronic store. Now I'm going to, we have other themes. There are a lot of themes you can use, but in this tutorial I'm going to use eStore. There are a lot of themes you can use, so I'm just going to install it. Now I've installed the theme and I've activated it. And let's go and check our website. Don't forget, this is our back end screen, that is the front end screen. So I'm going to check front end right now. You can see that it has changed. Now we have some few features now, but not like completely full. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to run a demo deport, that I'm going to deport the demo of the website. Then I can edit the demo. I'm going to click on this get started. Look at it here. Now this demo is going to import all the themes sectors, the plugins, everything you are going to need. So you don't necessarily have to start installations and all of that, but I'm going to show you the important plugins that makes the functions of the shopping. Now I'm going to import this, and take note, this is a free, I'm using the free version. There are other ones, but you need to become a pro version before you can get this one. So you can buy the theme, or better still, you can still use this particular one or use any other free theme. We have over 100,000 of themes that you can use. So I'm just going to import. Now I'm going to confirm. Now the importing process is going on. Okay, we are done with the importation. So let me just preview the website. Don't forget, this is the front end. So I'm just going to preview the website now to see the changes. Wow, now we have amazing shopping website. You can see all the features are here. This is really amazing, right? We have amazing shopping website right now. All the features are here. So what you need to do next is editing. You have to edit what you have here, then run the settings. Now let me go and show you the plugins that was deported. Now don't forget, the theme we used is the eStore theme. Now let me go and show you the theme. The theme we use is eStore theme. Now I want to go and show you the plugins that we have used. This is the plugin. Now you can see most of these plugins, we didn't install any of these plugins manually. During the process of the deporting, those plugins came in, but the major important plugins is this WooCommerce plugin. This is the main important plugins. Now in case if you want to build your own website from scratch, like you want to keep element by element. Now the major important plugin is this WooCommerce, but most of the time you can still import a design, then change the color, change the element. Like here, let me show you an example. Like for example, you can say that you don't want this particular slider and this particular top to be here. You can still say that okay, you want to take this off, or you want to change the color to black. You can still say that okay, you don't want this particular feature. So that is what we call editing. So we are going to edit the website. Now to edit the website, we are going to come here, go to customize, From this place, you can change almost everything on the website. Now you can see there are angles pointing that you should edit. Now first of all, let me run you through the customize section. Now this is the customize section. We have site title, we have colors, we have head media, we have background, we have menus, we have widget, then we also have home page, we also have header options, we also have design options, then we have additional options, then we have the WooCommerce, then we have the additional CSS, then the WooCommerce setting. Now this heading, this is where you can change like the logo, the title. Let me just show you. This is the logo. Look at it here. You change the logo from this place. The title of this website, that is this e-store, I change it from this place. Then you can also change the tagline, which is can also refer to as motto or description. You can also change it from this place. You can decide if you want to place just the logo or if you want to place them together. Then also moving down, you can change the icon. This icon, this is what you see here. You can see. You can also change this icon from this place. Then let me say I want to remove the logo. I'm not going to change, but let me just remove so that you see how the difference is going to affect the website. Now I've removed that. Now look at the website now. So we can change the logo, add whatever you want to add from that place. Now come to this place, you click on this arrow here. Now I can decide to change this image. You can see the image here. I can decide to take it off. Let me assume I want to take it off. I'll just come here, then I'll click on delete. You discover that this image will not be there again. As you can see, the image is no longer there. Now you can decide that okay, I want to either take this off or edit it. You'll be able to edit what you have on these sections. You'll be able to edit or delete what you have on these sections. Now I'm still going down. All this other stuff we have here. I'm going to show you how to edit them. The footer sections, all the stuff, I'm going to show you how to edit them. Let me just publish them. Go back to the dashboard. Now, don't forget, I've already showed you how to edit what you have. Now, most of the time, you might have more than one editor on your website, which means you can use appearance. You can still use other plugins. Now, apart from the appearance, which is under there's a customize under appearance, you can still use other plugins. Some team might come with plugins like Elementor. Some team might come with plugins like Page Layer and lot more. The website, you come to where you have pages, you click on it. These are all the pages that your website have. These are all the pages, the list of all the pages that your website have. These are the list of all pages that your website have. Now if you come, this is the front end. This is the front end of the website, which is the first page. Then we have contact us, like where you put your phone number, your address. If you check, you still have other pages here. Now this is where you have your page. This is where you have your pages. You have menu, you can see them here. I'm going to show you how to edit the menu. And first of all, if you want to create a new page, maybe you want to add there is information you want to create a page for, you come here, you click on add new. Click on add new. Then you'll be able to enter the title. Let us say Academy Test. Then I can add whatever I want to add on the page. I can write anything. Let me say I want to write I'm testing. Now I can still come down. I can add other things with this sign. There's a sign here. I can add image to it. I can add image to what we have here. I can add image to what we have here. Let me just look for some kind of image to upload. I can add image to what we have in this place. Now this is it. Then you come here, click on published. Actually the image is still loading, that's why it's showing that white, but I published already. So I'm just going to wait, let it complete, then I will update. So the image is done. Now I can update. Don't forget, I just created the page now. I'm going to go back. Look at the page here now. Now I have the page Academy test. Now if you want to arrange this section, like if you want to add Academy test to be in this place, now this is what to do. You still come under appearance, then you see menu. So I'm going to click on the menu. Now you can see what we have in this place. So I'll look for it. You can see you'll be able to get all the pages you have in this place. I'll look for Academy test in this place. There is it, Academy test. Yeah, this is it. Now I'm going to add. First of all, I want to check. Look at it, this primary menu. So I just added it on the wrong one. Look at this front. There's a bracket. You can see the front. So I'm going to show you how you can set it up that way, but I'm just going to add it first. Okay, I'm just going to add it here now, because at first I didn't add it to the primary menu. I added it to other parts of the menu. So now when I have Academy test in this place, I'm going to edit, then we preview it at the front end of the website. Now I'll come here. Wow, now I have Academy test. So don't forget I put an image there. So let us see, the image is going to come up now. This is it. So you can add whatever you want to add and make up your page. Now if you want to set up this, want to create a new menu, how to place them. I want this menu to be here. I want this menu. Now this is another menu, but this menu was designed for category, like shoes, like all the collections of the website. This is another menu. Then I just have to come here. I want to go back to customize. Don't forget, customize the other appearance. Now I come back to customize menu. Then you can see all the categories we have here. The same thing you just did now, you can still do it here again. Now you will be able to choose which of the menu you want to edit. Now this particular menu here, this is the primary menu, but most of the time you can still carry out your test to see the major menu. Now let me say I want to create a new menu for this place. I've clicked on create new menu. Now let me say the name of the menu is top. Now I have top. You can see we have 3 options here, so I can decide to choose primary. If I choose primary, then I'll come here and click on next. You can see that there's no menu here again. That's because I've not added any menu to it. Now I'm going to click on add menu. I'm going to click on add menu. Then I can add menu to it. You can see these pages. You can also add posts to it. You can add categories. You can add whatever I want to add, but I just want to add pages to it. I'm going to add front end blog. I'm just going to add Academy. Simple. I'm just clicking for what you have here. Don't forget, anytime you create your menu, you have all the options here. So I'm going to click, then I click on publish. These are what I just add now. I'll come here. So this is what we have here before I refresh the website. Now I want to refresh the website. Wow, this is what we have now. You can see. So I'll be able to edit the menu successfully. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can set payments for your website. Like someone want to make payments, how you can set up payments for the website. And I'm also going to show you how you can add products. I'm also going to show you how you can create categories, and so that's all we are going to cover on this section. So first of all, let us move straight to how we can add a payment gateway. Now on WooCommerce, still on your side menu on your backend on WooCommerce, come down here, come to setting. First of all, you have to feed these details with your personal details or your business details. If you are building the website for a company or for a business, you fill in their details in this section, like for example the address and those things. Those information will be used for billing purpose. Those information will be used for billing purpose. So you just have to fill in all the informations in this section. Now what I'm just going to do right now, I'm just going to change the country currency. Let it be on, okay, USD is fine. I'm still, let us say I'm in Nigeria. I'm just going to put Nigeria in this place. Let's say Nigeria. Let me put rivers. So let me put PH. So I'm just going to feed this. I'm coming down. You can change the currency to any currency. You can change it to any currency at all. You can change it to any currency at all you want to use. So I'm just going to click on save. Now I'll save that first section. The second section is the product. During the process of importing the website, there are pages that comes with WooCommerce. Don't delete those pages, because WooCommerce will auto configure 80% of the things you need. So you don't configure it manually. You auto configure 80% of the things you are going to need. So this space, you are just going to leave this space. Now I'll come to payment, because that's what we want to do. That's what we want to work on right now. Now if you check, we have a whole lot of payment option here, but you cannot find any Nigeria payments here. Like you don't have Flutterwave, you don't have other Nigeria payment option in this place. You don't have Flutterwave, you don't have Paystack, money files. Those are Nigeria payment system you can use to accept money in Nigeria. You can get our course on how to create a Flutterwave account, or better still, you can visit flutterwave.com. then you'll be able to set up an account there. It's a very easy process, but if you can't follow that process, you can get our course on how we do that. So first of all, how do we set Flutterwave right now? So we are going to come to plugin. Don't forget, I'm leaving this page right now. We are coming back to this. So I'm just going to come to plugin. I'll click on add new. So I'm going to show you how you can set Flutterwave and Paystack. Now I'm in my plugin section, so I'm just going to search for Flutterwave. This is the one you are going to use. Flutterwave, WooCommerce Flutterwave payment gateway. This is the one you are going to use. So I'm just going to install it. So then activate it. Now if you want to use Paystack, still do the same process. You come here, type on Paystack. type of paystack, let it load up. Still do the same process. Paystack, there's paystack WooCommerce payment gateway. Now I'm saving it too. And if the account you have is PayPal, I'm still going to show you for PayPal. If what you want to use is PayPal, just come here, type PayPal. Oh, sorry, I have not clicked on add new. So type PayPal. So now you can see it. You have WooCommerce PayPal payments. Now I'm still going to click on save it. So any payment gateway you want to use, I'm going to activate it too. Any payment gateway you want to use, you can always set them up. Like, first of all, you have to install their plugins. These plugins is just like an extra features that connect the both website. Then what you do is configuration. That's the job you do there. So you do configuration. Now let's head back to the website. Now I'm going back to my settings. I want to check if the features are there now or not. Now come back to payment. Then I guess we have them now. So we now have Flutterwave, Paystack, then PayPal. But that doesn't mean it's working yet. You have not connected the account to your own account so that you can receive your payment yet. Now I'm going to show you how to do that. First of all, let us say I want to use Flutterwave. First of all, you activate the account. After activating the account, you come to finish setup. Now you can see they are requesting that you enter your code here, your secret code here. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to get my code, but I'm going to blind the screen because what we have there are very valid information, so I won't be able to display it. But I'm just going to show you the process. Flutterwave, this is the website. So in case you want to sign it up, then I'm just going to log in right now. So I'm going to log in. My account have two-step verification, so I have to verify, but on your own you just have to go create account, then you upload your valid ID card. You don't need a CSV document on the start. You can do it without CSV document. You can just use a normal ID card. You don't need a CSV document on the start. Can do it without CC document for the start, so you don't really need that for the start before you can start. So I'm just going to log in and get my code. I was sent this code, so I'm just going to log in the code. Come to your settings, you see API keys here. From here you'll be able to copy the public and the secret key. You'll be able to copy the public and the secret key. So I'm just going to use the one of the test, because this is a testing website, it's not a real website, so I'm just going to use one of the tests. Now if you are not using the one of the test, you can see enable test mode. So but if you change it, look at what we have here. Look at this test public key, test secret key. If I should take it off, now they will ask you to enter live key, which means you need to make original payment before this process is going to work. Now I'm going to paste the key I just copied right now. I'm just going to paste the key I just copied right now. Then I'm going to paste the other keys, the secret key I just copied right now. Let me just put this title here. I can title it card payment. Card payment. You can use any name you want to use. You can type your own card transfer or just include all the payment gateway available there. So I'm going to use card payment. Then I'm just going to leave the rest that way. You can set it, always enable this place so that the website will auto complete the transactions. Like you don't have to go and complete the transaction manually. So once the payment is successful, like your gateway is able to pass your gateway successfully, and before your gateway can mark it successful, that means Flutterwave have received your money. Then Flutterwave will mark the order successful. So that means you don't have to do any job. It's going to work automatic. Now you save. That is all you need to do. Now I've set the payment gateway for this website. The next thing we are going to do right now is how to create categories for your product. The next thing we are going to do right now is how to create categories for your product. Now I'll come to where we have product. Come to category, product, category. Now we have some few categories here that imported. When I imported the website, those categories came with it. So you can decide to delete whatever we have here. Then you set up your own category. You can decide to delete whatever we have here. Then you set up your own category. So I'm just going to delete the list of these categories we have in this place. Now this particular that is uncategorized, you cannot delete it. So what you need to do, you need to use it as one of your category. Just click on edit. Click on edit, use it as one of your categories. Don't forget, all these changes I'm making is going to affect the front end of the website, because here we have those functions, where we have those information are not going to be there anymore. So I can change this uncategorized. I can change it to, let me say, boys. I can change it to boys. Then this still have to be boys. That is the slug. Still have to be boys. Then you can come here. You can add maybe an icon or an image attached to the category. You can upload maybe an image of a boys. Then I'm not going to upload anything right now. I'm just going to click on update. So I've updated it right now. I've updated it. So if I want to add new category, don't forget the one I just did is edit, not actually I didn't add. So I'm going to add new category now. Now what you just need to do is very simple. It's very simple. Now I can say maybe I want to add guests now. I want to add guests. Then either you click on enter this way, or you come down, click on add. Don't forget, always put this image whenever you are setting it on your own, always, because there are places where this image you need to reflect and ensure that the quality you are putting there are okay. You click on add. Don't forget, add your image. You come here, you can see we now have boys and girls. These tools are category. Now this category has total of 36 products. So we are done with the category section. Now the next sections we are going to work on is how to add product. That is the next section we are going to work on how to add product. Now you come to product. We have all product. This is if you want to check the product you have added. Then add new if you want to add new product. Don't forget all these options coming under it are option of product. So I'm going to click on add new. Now after clicking add new, I'm going to put the name of the product. Let me say boys cap. I'm just writing, let's say boys cap. Now first of all, what are the details of the boys cap? I can say it's very nice, it's very nice. Anything you want to put, like the description, it's very nice and cool. And still come down to this place. Now when you come to this place, you choose the regular price. You can leave only regular price. Sales price is like a discount. So I'm just going to say maybe I'm selling boys cap for 2,000 naira. I get to my point. I'm selling boys cap for 2,000 naira. Now you come down. You can add second product description here. You can either use this or you use this, but it's more advisable you use this because this will reflect directly under the image where you have description. So, or better still, you can paste the same information on the both of them and use the both of them. Now I'll be able to set this information. Then you come down here. Now you come to this other edge. Now we are going to work on this edge right now. Now you come to this first step, product image. So you have to upload the boys cap so that people can see it. Now I'm going to upload the boys cap. I don't have any here right now, but I'm just going to upload any image here to fill it up. I don't think if I have voice cap. These are images I'll let me just this look more closer. Let me just upload this now as the product image. Now I've gotten the product image. Now if you want to add more than one image, like maybe have more than one image, you want to add something like a gallery where people can slide and check multiple images, you can add it here. Let me just add something since I have some few images in this place. So I'm just going to pick 1, 2, 3. Now I've added one to it. I'm going to add another one. I've added one. I'm adding another one. Let me add this again. So that is okay. Now you can add as many as possible. Now we have product categories. It's supposed to be boys because it's a boys cap. Don't forget those are the categories just created, so it's going to be boys. And also you can also create your categories from here. Look at it, add new categories. So right now this is all you need to do. You can add tag like cap. This can be your tag. You can add tag to it, cap or caps. You can add tag to it. So any product, any product that has cap, when people click on the tag on your website to bring out all the related caps product. Now I've set up the shop, like I've set up this product. Now I'm just going to click on publish. Wow, I'm done. So let me just preview the product from this image. This is a link of the product I just created, and so I'm just going to preview it from this image. Now you can see it here. But this is the slider. Don't forget we added the slider, and this is the slider, and this is the description. It's very cool. You can see it here. Now we have it. I can decide to add it to cart. I just want to run you through on how the shops work. I can decide to add it to cart. Now I have one product on my cart. I can check out. Don't forget I have one product here, so I can check out. This is the payment gateway we set. This is a test, so I can I can fill in the informations I have here. I just want to fill in this details, so I'm going to place the order. Now it's redirecting me to make payment. I'm getting my point. So it's going to use flatter wave. Don't forget, this is a test, so I'm not going to make repayment. I'm just going to do a kind of a test payment. I'm just going to do a test payment. So this is, you're currently on test mode. All transactions are marked in this environment. So now person being transaction, the system auto complete. Then we are going to show you how you can receive your order. That's going to be the next step. Now how you can receive your orders, I'm just going to go back to the dashboard of the website. Now we have this on the dashboard. On the dashboard, you come down here on WooCommerce, you see orders. This is where you check your orders. Once people placed order, we still have advanced way to check orders, like checking it with your mobile phone, how to set up an app for it and all of that. This is the order, the one I was about to place right now, but I didn't complete it, so it's just going to show pending because I didn't make the payment.